All right, number 11. When Mildred's office needs to buy supplies, they purchase 6 reams of papers, 8 cartridges of ink. Office supplies is running low, and Mildred is planning to go buy more. If a ream of paper costs $5.89 and a cartridge of ink costs $28.50, how much? Estimate how much money Mildred will need to bring with her. So we're going to say paper costs $6. We're going to round it to 6. And they purchased 6 reams of paper, so 6 times 6 is going to be $36. And then ink, we're going to round that to cost of 30. And ink, they are buying 8 cartridges. So 8 times 3 is 240, 240. So if I add these, that will give me 276. She brings 276. She should have enough. Don't know if we need to round to 276 or not. I'm going to say 276. Okay, so at this point we have completed the assignment. I do recommend whenever you finish that you go through all the rest of them, because you don't know what you're going to see on the test, and you want to be able to see all the question types. This is now number 12. You attend a party and you notice 1/6 of the main room is slightly raised platform. You count 24 people. You count that 24 people can fit comfortably on the platform. With this information, what is the best estimate for the total people that could fit comfortably in the main room? So if 1/6 is a platform and that equals 24, that's 1/6. So if I want the total, I'm setting up a proportion, so 1 out of 6 is 24 over the total. So I'm going to just multiply by 6, and then that will leave me with the 1 whole equals, and I can figure out what this is. Actually, is that the right way? Yep. Multiply by 24, so it's going to leave me with 1 equals 6 times 24 over x. And then we just multiply by x, basically cross multiply. So x, the total, equals 6 times 24. They want us to estimate those, so we'll say 20. 6 times 20, it was 120, about 120 people total. They don't like it, try similar. So 1/4 is 18. So that's 20. 1 out of 4, let's just say is equivalent to 20. If I multiply by 4, it's going to give me 80. So 80 people So I guess my question is, are we talking about the whole main room or just with the platform, or just the platform? So I'm going to try 80. 80 is not an answer. So 1 out of 4 is 20. I wonder if they're talking about the 3/4. Would be 60. Neither of those are an option. Unless they want the exact number. So if they do the exact number and don't round, it's saying estimate. That's why I want to round. But these looks like exact numbers. So if there's 4, we got 18 times 2 is 36, times 3 would be 54, and times 4 would be 72. So this is 1/4, this would be half, this would be 3/4 and 4/4. So those look like the numbers that we get. The total number of people would be 72. That's not an estimate. So maybe they're just doing 4 times 18. So let's see. Sometimes figuring out what they want is half the battle. Yeah. So it says estimate, but they didn't actually estimate. So be aware of that on number 12. They're actually looking for an exact answer, even though we've been estimating the whole time.